We are here on a beautiful sunny day in Cape Town at Organic Zone in Lakeside. We were approached about a year and a half ago to solve the following problems for them. First of all, they were severely impacted by load shedding and they needed to run their shop during load shedding periods. We needed to supply a system capable of running the entire shop. There's behind me here fridges to keep all the stock fresh, freezers, coffee machines, ovens for the pastries, and also air conditioning in the store. Secondly, we needed to keep their investment also safe. And the investment is all this fruits and vegetables behind me. And the system can keep all of this running and keep it fresh into code. Thirdly, they need to reduce their bill. With all this equipment in the shop, it amounts to a quite large monthly bill. On average, they are spending between 600 and 700 kilowatt hours per day, and we were able to reduce that by 80%. We as installers are very happy to have installed this project and can say that the reason why this is such a big success is because we used FoxESS as our chosen product. The system consists of 3 30 kilowatt titanium inverters in parallel, a total of 90 kilowatts, 90 kilowatt hours of battery capacity, and 80 kilowatt peak of solar. We maxed out this roof so that we can save as much electricity for them on a daily basis. As a final note, the reason why the Fox products for us is a game changer is because they are modular and powerful enough to run a store like this. Secondly, they've got industry-leading safety standards. Thirdly, ease of installation. We were able to install this entire system in a very small room and also very quickly. The great thing about this project for us is that it's a massive success story for solar. We were able to deliver on all 3 those requirements, and also with our clients having massive smiles at the end of the day on their faces.